The last time you saw us, we were wrapping up a potluck with our friends. We decided to meet here to organize an early departure time for our first true caravan together to Utah. After an early evening, we called in an even earlier morning.
Good morning.
Are you ready? Good morning.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Where are we heading?
VanFest.
Good morning, friends. We wake up around 5 in the morning. We're ready to head to Utah. We're heading to Hurricane, Utah. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but you guys know I pronounce everything kind of wrong. I have a friend here. I'm so happy.
I know, I'm so happy.
Before any long trip, breakfast and coffee are a must. Off we go.
After that little interruption, I'm gonna continue explaining what I was saying. We are heading to VanFest. So it's this van event, which actually is our first van event that we're going in van. We're going in Caravan with our friends Sarah, MJ, Abby, and Keon. And it's gonna be so much fun. The event is tomorrow, but we're leaving San Diego today and heading that way today. I'm super excited. We just got coffee and we have around like 7 hours ahead of us. So let's get on the road.
Hello? Okay, so it's too close, but yeah.
Let me see that.
Nope. Yeah, it work?
Commando, 1, 2, 3.
Yep. See, that's it.
We just got commando. Wait, no, commando could be without underwear. But it could also be with like walkie-talkies.
We just got commando.
Yeah. Yeah.
When we were driving on the road, we were like plugged into the McDonald's, and so all we heard was like, oh yeah, they'd like a Big Mac and like a large fry.
No
and,
way.
Yeah, and so Keon piped in, he was like, can I get 3 Big Macs please? And they were like, what the fuck?
What type of crystals do you get me?
I gave you a smoky, this is a quartz, and I mined this one in Montana, and then all of these ones I've mined different places. Like this one I found in Montana, this one I found in Utah, this one I found in Arizona.
Not the sky, not the greenery. I'm gonna take a wild guess and say the mountain.
That's a bingo.
Do I get a prize?
3 schmeckles.
Nice.
Seven hours later, we arrived.
Friends, we made it to Utah and we found this spot where we supposedly can park. But Chase and I had to leave the group because we have to go to the main event area and figure it out what we're supposed to do. We don't know if we're supposed to be exhibitors or not. So we're driving over there, kind of like see what's going on. And if we're not exhibitors, I think we're coming back here, because I don't think we can park overnight at the van if we're not. I don't know, we'll keep you updated. I think there's gonna be quite a bit of people in the event. It's the first time the VanFest is taking place.
How are you? We're very well.
Hello, puppies. Are you guys exhibiting?
Well, we're not sure. We were invited to. We clicked the link. It said it was closed, so we figured we would pop in to see what we need to do.
Okay. Do you want to pull down to where that tree is? Just park right there. Let me have Ashton come over and chat.
This first one?
Yeah, this first tree. He said something to somebody else that they could come back at 8 and if there was room. Do you have a camping pass or anything?
He didn't send us anything. I can pull up the email here. Okay, here it is. We would be absolutely thrilled to have you guys as exhibitors. All you need to do is fill out this form on our website, and then he sent over a ton of stuff.
Okay.
It's no big deal. If not, we've got a spot we can stay at for the night. Okay. But we have no tickets for tomorrow either. Okay. So.
Well, why don't you pull down and I'll have Ashton come over and talk.
Okay.
I'll have Ashton come over and talk to you.
Sounds good.
We'd love to have you.
All right. Hey.
Hello.
Well, we finally find out we are exhibitors in the fest. So we were super prepared for these. At least the van is clean. That's all that matters, I guess. I don't know. It's incredibly hot. We are all sweating. We were not expecting that. I'm making dinner. There's a lot of people here already. More people coming. The main event actually starts tomorrow. I'm gonna make us something really quick to eat, and then I guess we're gonna walk around. It's another day here in VanFest. Yesterday we didn't get to show you much because it was overwhelming for both of us. There's so many people here. The actual event starts at 10 a.m. but they're letting senior people and people that could have some type of risk come at 9 in the morning.
I brushed my hair. Actually, I washed my hair. We took out the trash. Pablo's chewing on his foot. That's pretty much it. We put our videos on the TV because we don't have anything else. And then I'm charging the iPad so people can like read through the specs of our van. I didn't know we needed to do all that stuff, so it is what it is here in Aventura van.
How are we doing?
Doing well. How are
This
you?
little fluffy bowl in there.
This is Jake's chew toy.
Thanks.
Are you ready to be overwhelmed today?
No.
Oh, hi, Pablo. Oh, hi, Jake.
This was, for all intents and purposes, the calm before the storm. And what a cool way to introduce people to this lifestyle than with all of the individually unique and awesome builds. Maria Jose broke away from the tours to take a few tours of some of our friends' vans and buses.
Hey guys, I'm Nicole. Our Instagram is SKOOLIE, and this is our bus.
Nicole and Charlie told us they were inspired by our SKOOLIE layout. But let's be honest, they took the assignment and knocked it out of the park. Every detail of their SKOOLIE is a page out of a Dwell magazine, and we swoon.
How's the van touring doing?
We really haven't had to do any. It's
That's nice.
So nice.
We have done like 3 or 4.
Yeah, I've talked about it. And mostly I just welcome people in and let them do a self-guided tour.
At the end you should be like, make sure to subscribe. Follow us on Instagram.
Scan this QR code. Don't worry when it pops up and transfers $50 from your Venmo to mine.
Update. This has been crazy. We have been all freaking day showing the van. I'm starving. I'm thirsty. The event isn't over until what, 8, 9?
Yeah, like 8 or 9.
And it's like 2, maybe?
Oh gosh, long day. Let's just go take a nap.
Oh, no, it's 12:49. But there's food trucks around here, so we're gonna go and check out the food trucks, get some food, chill for a little bit, and then get back to showing the van. Tell everybody, how are you feeling?
We feeling good out here.
I know that they thought they were at Copa, which is so
We're
cute.
in Utah.
I'm drained, but I'm feeling good. My spirits are high.
What time do you think it is?
She said something 1, so I think it's around 1.
But if it weren't, I would say it's probably 4, based on
How tired
activity.
you feel?
Yeah.
Are you ready to go until 8
I'm
or
just-
9 o'clock?
I'm just waiting on my second win to hit. Hopefully that Red Bull that you stole from me helps in some capacity.
I have seen all the cool kids on YouTube doing mukbangs. So this is welcome to my mukbang. I think it's too dark, but I got some noodles and veggies and spicy yakisoba. Spicy yakisoba. Let's give it a try.
Food time.
Food time.
After food, it was time for a few more tours.
Welcome to our van. We are here at VanFest and we are just doing a fun giveaway. We have a little spin wheel, play some games, and just you can tour our van. So go check it out.
Travis and Jess were kind enough to give us the full walkthrough of their van, along with all of the neat ideas they brought to VanFest to interact with others.
Hi, I'm Molly, and this is my husband Ken. We are together, Born and Bound. You can find us on Instagram at Born and Bound and YouTube at Born and Bound. Hope to see you on the road.
Molly and Ken had by far one of the most unique and most us layouts we saw at VanFest. Their van radiated their positive energy and a superb level of detail. And then there were dogs.
Hello! Hi friends! How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
You're feeling good?
Feeling good. My lips are a little chapped from talking all day.
I know. I put a chapstick in my pocket.
It has been a really wonderful experience because people have been very complimentary, loving this community. They're all nice. All good.
And look at you. You were like all nervous.
I was so nervous.
And you have rocked the whole thing. Everybody have said how amazing your bus is.
Everyone's come in and been like, oh, this is way nicer than we thought it was gonna be.
That's the key with the yellow bus is you lower expectations and then people come in and they're like, oh, this is actually pretty nice. So thank you to all you nice people.
Exactly. If you don't know who they are, what's your Instagram and YouTube?
Yeah, it's Tale of Two Smitties.
Jinx.
Let me show you what we just got for dinner. Oh, so good. Can I try one?
Yeah, do it.
Maybe 2?
That's a good sign. Cheers, friends.
Thank you for everything you do.
Oh my
it
God.
really helped us build our van. So.
Oh my God!
Beautiful.
Me with my mouth full. I'm
I know how boring we are, friend.
I need you to scream! I need you to scream!
11:34 p.m. Keep in mind, we were giving tours since 9 a.m. We stopped giving tours around probably 7:30. I don't know, the sun goes kind of down pretty late here. Time was just weird. I just spit all over. Sorry friends, I didn't mean to. I talk so much, like I feel like my throat is like, oh, you talk too much. But all of that to say, I am so grateful to have spent the day here. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little bit stressful. Like yesterday I was a little stressed about it, and this morning, today made me feel so happy, and it showed me that what we're doing is helping like so many of you guys. So if we got to meet in VanFest, thank you. Thank you for taking a moment to come and chat with us. Thank you for like spending part of your day with us and just inspire us again and show us that what we're doing, like it's doing something good, you know? Like, and we do it because we enjoy it and we love it and we love meeting you and inspiring other people, but it's just like today feel like tangible. So thank you again. Chase is still talking with some people outside, but I couldn't make it no more. I'm just too tired. Oh my God, Chase.
There you are.
Yeah.
Oh, baby.
That actually did hurt pretty bad.
Really?
Why would I be lying?
I don't know. I'm sorry.
That hurt like my shoulder right there.
Does it feel good there?
Yes, continue.
Do you think I need to do the other side too?
Maybe. How do you feel? Tell me your thoughts.
Tired. I'm so excited I got to meet a bunch of you guys.
That's the same I said last night.
I get to meet some really cool kids that are so bright and excited about life. I got to meet some people who've had really cool and rad lives, and they're still stoked on it.
Yeah, it has been an amazing time. But today's Sunday, that means that we have to get out of here.
Yep, we gotta leave. We also have to wrap up work.
We also need to figure out where we're going.
And we also need to eat.
We also need to clean the van.
And we also need to walk the dogs.
We also need to make the bed.
I also need to brush my teeth.
I also need to use the bathroom.
I also accidentally left the lid up.
Alright, let's take a little break.
Alright, good night, guys. Hi, Jacob.
We'll see you next week with more adventures here in Utah.